If I told you you could get a 60 watt bi-colour full RGB Bowens mount video light for under £200, that's the size of my hand, would you believe me? Well, that is exactly what the Neewer MS60C is. The first light I ever brought was this huge Godox SL60W. Now this is a great light, but just look at the difference between this 60 watt light and this 60 watt light. To keep it this small, it's not a true Bowens mount. Now the reflector is actually the only thing that works natively without a Bowens mount because it's too small to be a Bowens mount. However, if you do want to fit on like a traditional softbox or lantern, it does ship with this Bowens mount adapter, and literally all you have to do is screw it onto the front using these 3 screws here, and now you can put any accessory you can think of on this light. What I love about the Neewer MS60C is that it's got its own carry case, so you can fit all of the accessories that you want that comes with the light into one bag, and you can bring it around with you wherever you go. However, you don't have to use that because this is so small. I reckon you could fit this in your normal everyday camera bag and then bring your softbox or your lantern with you for you to actually attach it to the Bowens mount. Also, what ships with this light is this battery plate where you can fit 2 Sony NPF batteries in. So if you really want to be portable, you can literally use this wirelessly using batteries, and that makes it even more compact. And this light will be a perfect match with the Aputure Light Dome mini series if you want to travel light and also get a really nice key light or a creative colored light. The options are really endless with this light. And the thing that makes Aputure lights so good is the app to control all of the lights, and Neewer actually have their own, and it works great. You connect it via Bluetooth and you can control everything from brightness to color to effects, all from your phone. It works great and just adds to this amazing value of this light. There's not really much else to say about this light really, it's just amazing value. 65 watts, I did just check the bottom of it, it's 65 not 60, which makes it even better. Full bi-color like I said, and full RGB, all of that you can normally find on sale for under £200. And if you do want this light, I will leave the link in the description below to my Amazon storefront, so if you do purchase it through there, that'll be a great help to me because you will be supporting the channel. But not only just for that, this light is really great. I've used it so much so far, and I've mainly used it when I'm doing my unboxing videos because I actually do them downstairs on the table because the table is a little bit bigger than my desk. And to be fair, I'm surprised it can handle a massive 90cm lantern as well, and that just creates such a nice soft lighting when you do use a lantern. And I normally like to go for the warmer tones when I do my unboxings, and that's what's great about this because it is bi-color. I don't actually own any Sony NPF batteries, but I really do like the idea of literally just carrying this light around like this, plugging the 2 batteries in, and now I can pretty much go anywhere with a full bi-color, full RGB, 65 watt light that's literally the size of my hands that can fit in my camera bag. What else would I want really? So if you do want to buy this light, like I said, the link is in the description below, and if you did find this video helpful, why not hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See you later.